Accessory power cable. Package dimensions: 24.4 h by 7.1 l by 23.4 w centimeters. Package weight: 0.295 kilograms. Country of origin: Mexico. Power cable sad face. 4-pin Conn to 4 bare wires for power in, power control bus and external alarm, 2 meters, 6.5 feet. Top reviews from the United States. Replacement for a second-hand GPS. 5 stars. Bought this for my GPS that had a cable that didn't screw in right. Had a pile of issues. Replaced cable this one. Everything worked like a boss. If you need a replacement cable, this is the best for the price. Grab it. 5 stars. Order was as described.